Whatnot's mission is connecting buyers and sellers in communities they're passionate about. Over the past few years, we went from an obscure small app to now becoming the predominant live stream shopping platform. Machine learning and AI plays a vital role in the whole marketplace experience, namely in recommendations. So when you come onto the feed, how buyers and sellers connect, how people find shows they love and communities they're passionate about. So folks working on the Chalk platform include machine learning engineers, machine learning scientists, data engineers, and they can all work together in a common framework. As the number of shows, number of sellers onboarded, as we continue to scale the marketplace, we're looking for better ways to provide relevant content to our users as they use the app. Batch inference was very wasteful. We were computing a lot of user and seller live stream affinities that we really didn't need in production. So we're talking about like 10 billion predictions, of which some of it never got used. A cold start problem for us is someone joins the application, it would take a full day before we really understood what you liked and how you wanted to shop on the platform. Computing these sort of metrics and features that machine learning models need to provide relevant recommendations is just a very difficult problem. It requires a certain specialized expertise. And also at the latency profile we were looking for, it becomes a really challenging problem at scale. And so we're looking for a partner that specializes in compute to do this for us in a cost-effective manner. Now with Chalk, we can serve these in real time. So when someone joins the app, we can provide the most relevant content in that moment. We were able to generate recommendations in our feed by serving up relevant shows that then pulled features from Chalk to create the sort of relevance framework we needed to then power a great user experience. The kinds of data we use to power these machine learning algorithms are things like counts, rates, and we look at a wide variety of data sources. So what you're doing on the app, what you're shopping, how you're communicating with the community. We take all this together to create a matrix of data, as well as really making sure that this can scale, and so that we're hitting at minimum 4 nines for the platform. We're talking hundreds of millions of features per second, and we're constantly load testing in production to see where the limits are of the system. Since bringing on Chalk, we've been able to perpetually maintain a high coverage, going from low 90s to consistent high 90s. So what that amounts to is a very stable system at P99. We're talking 100 milliseconds, and then we can reliably do at peak loads. With such high coverage, we're able to provide more revenue that wouldn't have otherwise be there for our sellers and small businesses, amounting to hundreds of thousands of dollars per week. My favorite part of Chalk is really how it combines a complex compute infrastructure, but makes it really easy for developers to use. You're able to maintain life cycles for these features and these machine learning models at scale. Between offline, online, pulling stuff into a notebook, serving it at high QPS traffic, Chalk allows you to work in one system cohesively. It's been great working with Chalk. We've been an early customer and have really grown with them to scale to our current load. And we feel like we can continue to do this into the future.